Hi, I'm Mike Allen. I'm an attorney at Moran, Allen and Associates. Today I want to share a recent case we litigated and won with you today. This case highlights just how important it is to have strong legal defense when you're facing repeated, baseless legal claims. This case started back in the winter of 2023 when a civil protection order was filed against our client. Initially, both parties agreed to a 90-day continuance with the understanding that if there were no violations during that time, the case would be dismissed. Our client held up their end of the deal, and the court dismissed the protection order as agreed. But shortly after that dismissal, the accuser filed another protection order, almost identical to the first, even though there had been zero contact between them since that winter. That second case didn't get far. Luckily, it was dismissed for improper service. However, it continued. The accuser then appealed the dismissal of the original case. That appeal was also unsuccessful for the petitioner. The appellate court affirmed the trial court's decision, finding it was fully supported by the evidence. Then, in the spring of 2025, the accuser filed a third protection order, again making the same allegations that had already been dismissed twice. Our client came back to us and we prepared for trial once again. We litigated the case in a half-day hearing with full testimony, evidence, and cross-examination. The court ultimately dismissed the complaint for a third time, and luckily a final time. The judge found that the accuser's testimony to be inconsistent and unsubstantiated, while highlighting our client's credibility and his clear efforts to avoid any contact. We then requested full attorney's fees and costs for our client. We won over $10,000 for our client, and the court granted it. Just as importantly, the court barred the accuser from filing the same claims against our client in the future, putting an end to what had become a pattern of harassment and misuse of the legal system. Without experienced legal representation, our client could have been stuck in an endless cycle of court hearings, legal fees, and stress. This case is a reminder that standing your ground with the right legal team behind you can put a stop to persistent, meritorious claims. If you're dealing with a protection order, whether you need one or need to defend against one, please call our office at 719-447-1923 because we're here to help.